Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learning Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you how can you say the month on the year. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends and follow my page on Facebook Learn Arabic with Dina and follow my page on Instagram also. Are you ready? Let's get started. The lesson entitled The Month on the Year. Firstly, what is the name of month in Arabic language? Month, if I talk about one month in Arabic, it's named Shahr. Shahr. And if I'm talking about a lot of months, it's named Shuhur. Shuhur. Year in Arabic named Sana. Year in Arabic named Sana. Okay, the month on the year it's named Shuhur Sana. Shuhur Sana. Repeat after me. The month on the year in Arabic named Shuhur Sana. Shuhur Sana. We have 12 months on the year. The first one named January. January. It's named in Arabic Yanayr. Please repeat after me again. January in Arabic named Yanayr. Yanayr. The second one named February. February. It's named February. February. You can notice the pronunciation of the month in English language looks like and close and similar the pronunciation in Arabic language also. January it's named Yanayr. February it's named February. March in Arabic Maris. March in Arabic named Maris. After then April. April in Arabic named April. April in Arabic named April. After then May. May in Arabic named Mayo. May in Arabic named Mayo. June. June in Arabic named Yunyu. June in Arabic named Yunyu. After then July. July in Arabic named Yulyu. July in Arabic named Yulyu. We say Yanayr, February, Maris, April, Mayo, Yunyu, Yulyu. After then August. August in Arabic named Augustus. August in Arabic named Augustus. September. September in Arabic named September also. September in Arabic named September also. October. October in Arabic named October. October in Arabic named October. After then November. November in Arabic language named November also. The same pronunciation. The last month on the year named December. December in Arabic named December also. Again, we are talking about today the month on the year. It's named in Arabic Shuhur Sana. Shuhur Sana. We have 12 months on the year. Repeat after me again. This is month. Yanayr, February, Maris, April, Mayo, Yunyu, Yulyu, Augustus, September, October, November, December. Again, the month on the year in Arabic, it's named Shuhur Sana. It's Yanayr, February, Maris, April, Mayo, Yunyu, Yulyu, Augustus, September, October, November, December. Actually, I'm so happy when I taught you this lesson. If you have any question, please don't forget to put it the below of comments, and I will answer to you inshallah. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video inshallah. مع السلامة.